The COOKSMARK Copper Pan with lid has become a real workhorse in my kitchen. It's a 12-inch nonstick frying pan. Cooking eggs is now a breeze. And they slide right out. The copper color looks nice. And the pan feels sturdy. The lid is a great addition because it helps food cook evenly. Plus, cleanup is so easy. You can even toss it in the dishwasher. This pan offers real convenience for everyday cooking. This COOKSMARK Copper Pan with lid boasts a fantastic non-stick surface. Food doesn't stick, so you use less oil. That's great for healthy cooking. And it makes cleaning simpler. The cool touch handle is a thoughtful feature because it stays comfortable while you cook. I've used it for various meals. And it heats up quickly and evenly. It feels like a reliable staple in my collection of cookware. And it makes cooking less of a chore. Overall, the COOKSMARK Copper Pan with lid is a solid choice. It's a practical and well-designed non-stick skillet. While it might not be a status symbol, it definitely delivers on performance. I haven't experienced any damage to the non-stick coating yet, and food release is excellent. For anyone looking for a dependable and easy-to-use frying pan, this one is worth considering. It brings convenience and simplicity to your cooking life. Pros: healthy cooking, cool touch handle, dishwasher safe, includes a lid 12-inch size, copper pan, egg frying pan, durable, even heating. Cons: can scratch easily, some report sticking, handle might get hot, lid may not fit well, uneven heating possible, cleaning can be tricky, may not last long, questionable quality potential for damage, not always non-stick features. Non-stick surface 12-inch size, includes a lid, copper color, cool touch handle, dishwasher safe, healthy cooking, egg frying pan, skillet design, durable build. This COOKSMARK frying pan is a 12-inch skillet with a non-stick copper surface and a lid. It's designed for healthy cooking, especially for eggs, and has a cool touch handle for safe use. The pan is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy, and is built to last. This 12-inch COOKSMARK non-stick copper frying pan is designed for healthy cooking with a cool touch handle and is dishwasher safe, also including a lid. It's intended as an egg frying pan with a durable construction that promotes even heating. However, some users have reported that the pan can scratch easily and may not always be non-stick, with potential for uneven heating and sticking. Additionally, there are concerns about the handle getting hot, the lid not fitting well, and the overall quality and longevity of the pan, suggesting it might be prone to damage and difficult to clean.